Hey guys, Realme X is here and it is the most premium phone among all the Realme phone launched till date. Along with Realme X Youth is been launched, which is merely the Chinese name for Realme 3 Pro. Realme X is no less than a flagship phone, but it is coming at a very affordable cost. Now the companies like Vivo, Oppo, Samsung and OnePlus have tough competition that this phone will give to their phone. Realme X features a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus Samsung AMOLED full screen display with Full HD Plus resolution. The phone has high screen to body ratio of 91.2% and it is protected by the 5th generation Gorilla Glass. It is powered by 2.2 GHz octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 710 chipset coupled with 6GB and 8GB of RAM. Talking about the camera section, the AI dual rear camera setup with 48 megapixel Sony IMX586 as a primary sensor and 5 megapixel as a secondary sensor along with the LED flash. Most importantly, it comes with a pop-up selfie camera of 16 megapixel with aperture f2.0. Realme X runs an Android 9 Pie operating system based on the ColorOS 6.0 UI and get its juice from 3765 mAh of battery with Whoop fast charging support. The phone comes equipped with the in-display next generation light sensitive screen fingerprint sensor, which is very efficient. The pricing and other details of the phone is not yet revealed, but this may cost in India around 15,000 to 18,000 and the launch date is not yet confirmed. So as soon as the launch date is confirmed, I will update in my channel. So if you like this Realme X, please comment in the comment section what you feel about Realme X. So talking about the Realme X Youth Edition, it is a Realme 3 Pro in India and it is renamed in China as Realme X Youth Edition. So this Realme X Youth is features a 6.3-inch Full HD Plus water drop notch display powered by an octa-core 710 processor, Qualcomm Snapdragon 710 processor. Powered by 2.2 GHz octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 710 processor coupled with 4GB and 6GB of RAM. It has a dual rear camera of 16 megapixel, which is a Sony IMX519 sensor, and a 5 megapixel of another sensor. The front camera is 25 megapixel ultra clear selfie sensor. There is a 4045 mAh of battery with a Whoop charging support, that is Whoop 3.0. So this phone will cost you around 12,000 to 14,000 in India, but in China the rate is bit low as compared to India. So this is all about Realme X and Realme X Youth Edition. So if you like the video, please hit the like button and please do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.